All right, what's up? Mic check, mic check. You good? Okay. So, I already took left a lot of money on the table, but I took a long from back here. Um, Once it got above the PM open and the distribution leg, then yeah, I was just aiming for this gap, which we got there, and we obviously displaced a lot higher. I think we're going here. This is the target. So, I'm refining my model. So what I'd like to see is two sequential SMTs, higher time frame and lower time frame. We have a 90-minute session, not session, 90-minute SMT, and then a 23-minute, which is a micro SMT, SSMT, sequential SMT. And that's what gave me the bullish bias. So typically when they have a 90-minute SMT, and then it'll target the previous cycle, the previous 90-minute high, which is this 90-minute high. So that's why that's my draw. Plus it's at 2-day open. So I think 2-day open is going to be the draw. Uh, we'll see if we get all the way up here, but I want to see engineered buy side liquidity up here. This gap still not being filled. A drop below TMSO. There it is. There's a drop. And this range on the 15-minute, I was just monitoring this range because it's been used. Is it 15-minute, 5-minute? What was this? Where did I find this gap? I think it's a 15-minute. We're using this 15-minute range like crazy. Yeah, right here. So this is a key range for the day. So I'm gonna put this as neutral because that now it's not going to be used as support. See how many times it came into it, came above, support, came below, resistance, came above, support. So if we close above this on the 15-minute, which I think we will, I think this is the draw up here, should it open. But I already took a trade today. I might do like 2 micros just to. I'm already up $200 on this eval. The other day, so the only way I'll take this is under TMSO. I want to see a deeper retrace before going higher. So under TMSO and under 2-day open, and I need to see a full like a 5-minute. I mean, yeah, probably tap back into here. That'd be nice. Use this as support. This is my area of interest here. To go higher. Um, 2-day opens the first target, and yeah, but I'll just tape read. Might not take a trade. I might not. Maybe 2 micros, 1 micro, just to dabble. But I would like to see another maybe micro SMT, nano SMT down here before going higher. So let's see. Monitoring this gap. This is a huge gap here. So I'm just going to monitor this with a little eyeball. Watching there. It's my area of interest there. And it's also at this previous, yeah, this 1-minute gap's really nice. It's at this previous cycle high as well. So this high. Oh wait, hold on. We took this high. This isn't sequential SMT, but it's here. Where it took time on YM, so we might not need to take it. Rejecting this big gap, and Feeling true to open, it still is the draw. True open appears on YM, New York Open. Same thing up here on ES. So I think um, yeah, if I might be an opportunity around there, but I'm gonna wait for. Oh, we already had TMSO. Okay, so we had this. This is the macro. Let's see what this macro does. This little inducement macro. Okay, inducement macro's over. There's the area of interest right there. And let's see if how far we retrace. Should find some support. I could soup that if I wanted to, but I'm not feeling super risky right now. This on why I'm just this high, so I'm not inclined to take that. Plus big breaker right here. Um, that could be the manipulation for. Let's see here. Oh wait, this is the inducement macro right here, and this is the first gap to take liquidity. So that's a pretty important gap on the 1 minute. So you might revisit there, but this 15-minute gap. So we haven't broken this. That's another confluence that gave me the bodies never close below this on this 15-minute gap. So it's going to give me confluence to go high, go long. So that should be retracement. Okay, so now we might head down here to this low. Communication. Yeah, it's not looking good. The longs probably short. That might be the mitigate. That might be the I want to see this range hold. If it's gonna hold this last candle, that previous range high, last 1 minute candle. I want to see that hold. If I'm so bullish, we'll see. This could be a fake. This could be a fake market structure shift here. Nope. Okay. Confused dumping. Breaking this. I'm going to revisit this gap here. And this is not a sequential, but it is an S&T. Why I put this high. could be the manipulation leg there. Yeah, I think red is at least down here. 24 and 24, 23. So around PM open. Let's see if PM open holds, or if it's gonna dump to. I think PM open's gonna hold. No. Control S and T. Wow. Very mixed signs right now. So I'm just gonna do some business while this. I'll put an alert here. I think that's where we're headed. Yeah, so no 15-minute bodies close above here. So filling this gap might rebalance this gap and then just range for the day. Don't know if that's going to be. Let's see. This is going to be retrace short. Big manipulation candle here. Manipulation time at Q2. This micro. This range, yes has been using a lot of the wall, so I might. Pay some bills while I'm. Just pause it and check. Business. Very ugly. Not interested in any of this. So we got a little trace back, and then we're gonna go. To no SMTs up here. So I mean, other than no country SMTs, so just not a bad setup. There's a little SMT here. High with YM. Okay, was that it? Still think the draw is up here. Tends to be up here. And at that block on ES, we get above there. That'll inverse breaker. We should go higher. But I guess that was it. Nope, should go lower. And we're gonna hit this level. So a lot of buy side engineered liquidity on YM. I think we'll inverse this SIBI or BISI here. Yeah, that was just a retrace. Got into this breaker on ES. Rejected that. And bills. There's that 45 candle. Very choppy. Still think we go lower. If we can break this BISI here. I mean, just chop it around in between this SIBI with this inversion, plus the SIBI and this BISI holding it up. Nasty range. Let's see here. I think this is going to be one of those days. We'll see what the 50 candle does to decide on direction, because it can go either way. And we could see displacement higher, or we could see displacement lower. So let's see. I'll literally a little bit bearish. And then we're going to go down here. Small little SMT there. Yeah, see. Then we're going to at least hit this level here. Okay, that's paid. 2 minutes left. Go either way. Maybe YM will wake up and this, and then we'll go lower, creating a sequential SMT. So if YM takes this high, or no sequential SMT yet. Let's see. Yeah, could take these highs. That'd be my only put an alert here. If YM takes that, one more minute. I think YM's gonna take it. If YM takes this, shoots up. Here, no, this candle's still holding. See here. Okay, if this flips on ES, then I'll go. And I'm not gonna go long. Yep. Okay, nothing exciting for this candle. I'm gonna go higher. Okay. All right, so we're displacing higher. Okay, we're displacing higher. I think 2-day open is the draw. Unless we see there's SFT. See how this candle closes on ES. Hit the breaker on NQ. Really messy. I still think 2-day open is going to do it. I think we'll see here. I'm going to flip this. 6. Yeah, okay. Now we're allowed to go down.
Order filled.
Seven.
Order working.
This is it. Might get wrecked here. Let's see here. Bounce step. This is a super high. What can stop? Drop. And I want to see. Push down. Give me a push down.
Order cancelled. Order working. Order working.
Nasty range. Nah, get out. It's silly. I'm gonna take my stop at break even if we get below here. Keep my finger on the trigger here. If we take these lows, let's see what this 55 candle does. No. No.
Order cancelled.
Then we're gonna get faded here. I'm gonna get faded here. Gonna catch up, I think. True to open. Should have stuck with my long buys. True to open. Flip this on ES, I think. Yeah, true to open. I think it's a draw.
Order filled. Order working.
That's a really silly fill. And that 55 candidate didn't do anything. Nah, come on. Oop, bad sign. Not a good sign. All these red numbers here.
Order cancelled.
Okay. I'm just getting wrecked. I'm losing all my profits that I made earlier in the day. Silly. Still think the draw is going to be higher though. Okay.
Order working. Order filled.
Back in. 20.
Order working.
You can see team is so body close above. Yeah, there it is. Okay, now we're gonna hit it.
Order filled. Order working.
It's a really silly chase. Four, 20. Okay, so I think I'm safe to should be rebalanced. Should not make yourself out of break even. So since we got a body close above TMSO, I'm pretty confident in that.
Order working.
I'm gonna put my stop here.
Stop filled.
Stop me out. Ah,
Order
oh,
filled.
shoot. Did I just
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
nah, I think we're gonna get some blast off here. minute of the day. Yeah, I'm getting
Order working. Order filled.
one all the way to
Order working.
23. Might just get back to 4. Shoot. TMSO, holding that. Just a really outclose. I still think the Trudy Open is going to, yeah, around, yeah, where we're headed.
Order filled.
Gosh, what a terrible entry. I should have just held on. Looking me out. I just knew that was a draw. Just really ugly. Look at that. Nasty drop. TMSO. I'm glad I crossed at that time level, or at that price level. Um, Still think we're going to head higher. Retrace.
Order filled. Order working. Stop filled. Order filled. Order working. Order working.
All right, this is a sketch. I'm just going to risk the points. Still think the draw's a little bit higher. TMSO, unless we get a body close above TMSO, then I'll. Yep. Yeah, break my rules. I should have just stopped after one loss. No, probably going to take a loss here.
Modification rejected. Modification rejected.
Trailer real tight. Oh, we might.
Stop filled. Order cancelled.
So until we break that, I'm done. Done for the day. I'm just gonna end it green. I could have been at more green, like $200, but I just wasted a bunch of bad trades. Um, Really bad habit. Trying to take one trade per session, and totally broke my rules. This PM session was already up, you know, around 200 or so to 25 early in the day. Should have just sat on my hands and watched it. I knew it was going to be low probability. Um, but yeah, something I'm working on. Follow my rules, even though I know my thesis is correct. I had a long tier, too high in premium. Stopped long tier, and then these got a little messy. Long way high in premium. Just chasing it, just really bad habit. So that's it. Still think we're gonna hit. We're gonna end up roughly around there, that area. But super low probability now. Um, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the weekend. Drawdown was better. I almost blew the account the other day because I was trying to change these numbers around here, and I put like I only try to trade no more than 5 minis or micros, but I put like 3, and then it became 23 or 21, and it was bad. So I was in a ton of contracts and had to get out because it was just too much risk, and it took big loss. And then I started revenge trading the other day. It's just so my drawdown went way down, even though my balance um, is yeah, I'm only $60 away from break even, but my trailing drawdown just went down a ton. So to pass this eval, I'll just keep my risk smaller, continue what I'm doing, try to stick with just one trade per session, one attempt per session. If I break even, I can attempt again. But if I take a loss, I'm done. So all right, see you guys next time. Hope you enjoy that. Make sure you like and subscribe.